How to poke someone on Facebook. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video, and on today's video we will see how we can poke someone on Facebook. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. First of all, launch the Facebook application in your mobile device. Once you're on your home page, tap on the search icon at the top right and in the search bar search for poke. Now select poke's option from the search results. After that, in the poke section, you will see a list of friends that you can poke. Tap on the poke button next to the friend's name that you wish to poke. And on the same section, you will also see who has poked you and poke them back if desired. So in this way, you can poke someone on Facebook, and poking on Facebook is a way to send a friendly gesture to someone. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.